Today class session we are going to be discuss about an electronic mail. This concept we already discussed about in ISO OSI layer, right? Where this electronic mail, where we are going to be studying there in the application layer. This application layer supports the concept of an email utility, right? So what is an email? So email is a thing, but it is an electronic mail. It is one of the popular services today. So you must know that this concept very popular. Gmail, where we can send and receive a mail from one user to another user and one to many user. Okay, everyone. So this is the one of the important things today. That is the email services. In this class session, what we are going to be discuss about what is an email and how it works and what are the protocol that will be used in that email that we are going to be discussing about. An email is, I already told it is one of the important services that are used there. The main purpose of the email is used for sending and receiving a mail from one user to another user or from one user to multiple users. Okay. The three main components of the emails are: one is a user agent UA, the second one is message transfer agent MTA, and it is used by simple mail transfer protocol, and third important component is MAA, that is message access agent, which is used by internet message access protocol, and POP, that is a post office protocol. Those three things, okay, are the main important component of an email, right? And how this email will be worked? Consider a situation. I am going to be use an email from within the organization or within the educational institution. Within this, I want to be used from one department to another department. For example, BCA department to something like the commerce department. From this, and another case, I want to be used from an email. I want to be used from one user to another user, not in the within the place, outside the part, outside the world. So how it works? So in the first case, okay, when the sender and the receiver of an email are in the same system, right? So I am going to be used in there. Okay, I am the BCA. I am using in the. I want to be send a mail from BCA to commerce. Okay, in this case, I want to be use an email within the college campus or within the institution. I want to be used. In this case, what happened there, right? Okay, the client and the server are on the same system. We need only two user agents. That is a user A, that is BCA, and user B is the commerce. Only two user agents, and there is no possibility of MTA, message transfer agent. There is no need for transferring a message from one thing. Simply one server now, right? Simply this. Okay. But in the under second case, what happened that I want to be sent a mail, okay, from one part of the from my side to another part that is outside the world. I am going to be sent. So I want to be sent from here to American one university. I want to be sent it, right? University of Texas or something. I want to be sent an email. So how are I going to be sent this? When the sender and the receiver of an email are on different systems. Yes. Here I am going to be using one system, and there will be the another system. University of Texas is using another system in this case. In this case, I want to be used. Okay, we need a two user agent and two pair of MTA, that is a message transfer agent, and two MAA. Okay, message. Okay, two MAA. We are need of this, right? Two MAA. We are need of this, right? And the second category will be there. So how this will be worked from there? In this case, user A wants to send a mail to the user B. How it will be works? User A wants to send a mail to the user B. In this case, first he want to prepare a message. Okay, the user agent wants to prepare a message. So first to prepare the message is delivered to that spool. Okay, a spool is nothing but simultaneous peripheral operation online. It maintains a queue. Whatever that the user prepare a message, it will maintain a queue, and the messages are stored in the queue fashion. That is like a first in first out category. right? So here the user prefer the messages are, right, delivered in the spool, and after that with the help of an MTA, with the help of the MTA of from the user A, the message is forwarded to the user B MTA. Okay, in this case the user B MTA receive the messages from, right, user A through the internet and deliver the message to user B mailboxes, and with the help of the user agent UA and the user B are receive the mail, right? So that's the concept I will discuss now. You see here, when user A needs to send a message to user B, runs a user agent program to purport the message sent to the mail server like this. Okay, so this is the points we are already told in. So that is the mail server. The mail server maintaining that queue phase, spool maintaining that, and messages are delivered to that, and it will be sent in the queue phases. And two MTA will be used for them. One will be the client side and one will be the server side, right? So this is the user agent. Okay, first component of electronic mail system is the user agent. The user agent responsibility is sending and receiving a message easier, right? The user agent is nothing but it is a software package that compose. Okay, if I want to send you a message or read a message, replace a message and forward a message, everything will be handled by the user agent, right? The user agent will be consist of the two important parts. One will be the command driven and the guide based. So what is the command based and what will be the guide based? The command based are nothing but it is only a character based orientation where everything will be, we want to be typed with the character based. Okay, so simply one character from the command from the keyboard to perform a task. We want to be typed in the keyboard and perform the task. Guide based means graphical user interface based. We are interacting with the icons and buttons where we want to be work with the menu bars and windows that make the services are made easier. MTA. What is the role of the MTA, message transfer agent, right? This is the role of the message transfer agent is to send a mail from one user agent to another user agent. Okay, so to send a mail, a system must have the client MTA, and to receive a mail, and the system must have a server MTA. So the MTA are in both the sides. So the responsibility of an MTA, the responsibility is to receive a mail from the client side, and with the help of the internet, it will be sent back the message to the user B MT, right? So and to receive the messages now, the user B must have an own MTA like that. Okay, and MEA I already told you the message access agent. So it is nothing but it is a software that pulls messages out of your mailbox. Okay, so MEA that will be there. Post office POP3, right, and IMAP for Internet Message Access Protocol are examples of MEA. So emails are normally consist of an address that consists of user ID and domain. So domain is nothing but that is the host name of the mail server. You know that, right? collegestudy.edu.in is the host name that will be used there. And message format, right? The messages consist of the header and the body. Okay, so the header are nothing but that contains type and the value separated by the colon. Okay, so each header line contains a type and the value separated by a colon. You see that some of the header contents are from, you know, that colon to colon subject colon date. You know that from this nothing but identifiers and the message. Our own email address to where you want to be sent, that is the recipient mail ID, subject, what's the subject that you are going to be sent, date of the message, and time stamp, okay, when the message is transmitted, right? This is the thing, yes. So body is nothing but it is the content of the actual message. Okay, so email is in the earlier now, only we are going to be send a mail from one system to another system. That's the message. After that, in the year of 1993, email carry of different data. We can attach, audio, video, images, anything, Word document, and so on. So this is the concept we can use of anything now. Okay, we want to be use that is a ME type will be used for that. ME type is nothing but multi-purpose internet mail extension. So what is a multimedia? It is a combination of audio, video, text and something like a picture to deliver information in a meaningful way. Okay, so multimedia means nothing but it consists of more than one media. That combination of audio, video, text or picture to deliver information in a meaningful way. So in the year now 1993, before that, just we are going to be sent a message from one system to another. So after that 1993, we can send an email with an attachment of audio and video and like that images and Word document we are attached with that. Okay. Okay, and SMTP protocol, you know that simple mail transfer protocol. It is nothing but this protocol is used for transferring a mail from between the host from one system to another system. SMTP protocol main purpose is nothing but this is the protocol is used for transferring the mail between the two hosts and in the TCP/IP protocol suite. That is a protocol suite. Protocol suite means within the protocol we can use that. TCP is a protocol, separate protocol. IP is a separate protocol. Within the protocol, okay, we can use a TCP/IP protocol, right? To prepare a message and like a letter, what we can do, right? We can prepare a message and write the content and deliver something the same thing. SMTP uses information written on the envelope of the mail, but does not look at the content. Okay. SMTP works have the two components. One will be the user agent and the second one is empty, right? With the help of the user agent, user prepare the messages and enclose an envelope. You see that the letter we are writing an envelope now. The same thing. In MTA, transfer the mail from across the internet. SMTP operations. Okay, so what are the operations will be used for connection setup? First one, we need the connection, right? Second one, mail transfer. After that, the termination. First one, the connection must need. Suppose we want to be send a mail from one system to another system, we need the connection. That is, the connection is need for the TCP connections. We need there. Without the connection, we cannot do that. Second one is after setting the connection, we can prepare a message with the help of the user agent. We want to prepare a message. After preparing a message, that we are going to be transferred to the mail transfer. Finally, and we are going to be terminate the connection with the help of the queue command, right? So everything will be the commands only we are going to work out. Okay, this is the mail type I already told you now. We are going to be in the mail, audio, video, text, animation, any picture that we are going to be sent on email. That format will be a MIMI type. Okay, a multi-purpose internet and mail and extension form type. MIMI headers, MIMI version, current version, content type, and the content transfer, content ID, content descriptions. Okay, header defined in MIMIs are MIMI version, current version. What are the version we are going to be used? 1.1. Content type, message type. So I am going to be send a message in the text format, text/HTML or something like image. I am going to attach an image that is in the image format like that, and content transfer encoding the format. So predominantly base 64 encoding technique will be support that content ID, content description. Okay, so this is the message content of MIMI headers. MIMI content type, okay, plain text, HTML, and something like alternative and something like JPG, GIF map, pictures I am going to add it up. That will be the type audio, video, applications. Any type I can send it. Okay, type multi-part, message, image, video, audio, application. Any type I can send in the mail by the help of a MIMI content type. So IMAP protocol, Internet Message Access Protocol. Okay, so this is the protocol will be used for that, right? It allows an email client to access an email on a remote mail server. To access an email from a remote server, we can use of IMAP protocol, right? This protocol we can use in the online and offline we can use that. Okay. So online means I'm going to be use that message directly with an online. Offline na in the earlier the years of 2005 and 2007 when I used their Microsoft Outlook. Okay, Microsoft Outlook is configured with my Hotmail ID. So when the internet will be connected now, automatically what happened that the messages are Microsoft Outlook Express read the messages from my Hotmail ID and download it. So after that, I view the messages in offline itself, right? So this is the one thing we can use of online and offline operations. We can use that. Okay, so user may connect to the server, look at what the email is available and access it online, right? And offline will be there's a concept of there. I already told you that directly we can retrieve that information from the offline with the help of an earlier concept like Microsoft Outlook Express. Okay, I can my Hotmail ID. Okay, already MSN IDs are already configured that. This Microsoft Outlook Express all happened that once I log into the system, right, it will read all the messages from my Hotmail or MSN simply, and that will be downloaded into the Microsoft Outlook Express. I mean now when the mails are when I was switch off from that, right? Again, see the messages directly from offline with the help of the Microsoft Outlook Express. Operation of IMPP. Okay, so everything will be the commands. So what are the commands? Login, authenticate, select, examine, close, and log out. So the client commands. I want to be establish the connection client, and secure message will be authenticate, and close and log out will be the termination connection will be used for that, right? Post services protocol will be used for to receive an email from a remote server over a TCP connection will be used for that. Pop books to mode and delete mode and the keep mode. Delete mode is used for after the message is deleted from the mailbox after retrieval. Okay, in keep mode, mails after reading is kept in the mailbox for later retrieval. Keep. Okay, so mail is nothing but keep is for keeping for the messages for later receival. POP3 commands. UID, the command for open the connection, status, display the number of messages currently in the mailbox list. It is used to get the summary of the messages, retrieve the mail, delete the message, reset the message, and quits it is used to log off the session.